How to use Chromecast without a Wi-Fi. So is this really possible that you can use a Chromecast without Wi-Fi? Yes, it is. So you have to enter the guest mode. So once you have entered the guest mode into your Chromecast device, this allow other devices to connect to Chromecast without needing to be on the same Wi-Fi network, right? You can connect to your mobile devices to the Chromecast guest Wi-Fi network. This also allow it and Cast Connect from your mobile devices to the Chromecast. Since the devices are connected directly, you can stream local media files or mirror your device screen without an internet connection. The second option, which I would like to show you using a wired Ethernet connections, right? So connect an Ethernet adapter. You can plug the Chromecast into the Ethernet adapter. Your Chromecast can now connect to the internet through the wired Ethernet connection, allowing you to the stream content without relying on Wi-Fi. So these are the solution which I have mentioned you. You can go through, you can pause this video and you can just read it out. I hope you found this video very useful.